Okay, today we'll be looking at the ACDelco oil filter, number PF63E, and the Baldwin oil filter, number B7449. And you can get both of these at Rock Auto. The ACDelco costs $3.57, and the Baldwin costs $3.70. They both fit the same vehicles, and these two are going to duke it out. And when the dust clears, we'll see who the winner is. So let's get started. This is set for, you gotta glue the silicone, get nice and tight, get your inner here, filtration right here. Okay, let's start with the ACDelco. Open her up. And the date code 20139EN. Product of USA. This is a sticker. She has 8 inlet holes. And you see a nylon, looks like a nylon cage. And how's the O-ring? Natural rubber O-ring. It's on there pretty good. Yeah. It's on there pretty good. Okay, let's check out the Baldwin. And check out the date code. It's 0325-211-3525. Made in USA. And the Baldwin has 7 inlet holes. See a metal inner core with louvers and bypass valve down below. And how's the O-ring gasket on this? This is also a rubber nitro. It's not too bad. Pretty good. It's not as good as the ACDelco though, but it's pretty good. Two different designs there. ACDelco is a little bit taller. You know what? Say we open these babies up and see what's inside. Okay, let's start with the Baldwin. Let's see how much she weighs. 10.4 ounces. The ACDelco weighs 8.1 ounces. And how about your base plates? The Baldwin weighs 3.8 ounces. The ACDelco weighs also 3.8 ounces. Let's take a look at these guys. Well, the O-rings we know about. They're pretty good. At the insides, look at all these holes. I counted 13 holes on this ACDelco. I wonder if that helps spread the oil around. I don't know. Could. But the ACDelco's got more threads on it. See the difference in threads? Probably at least two extra ones. They weigh the same, but they look totally different. Alright, well they're pretty good. And your bypass valves, it's got a little extender on here in the Baldwin. I'll insert. Rubber anti-drain back valve. ACDelco also has a rubber anti-drain back valve. And it's a lot bigger too. Look at the size difference. Okay, and your filter media. I counted 41 pleats. Got a glued seam right here. And the filter media on this is a nominal 9.8 micron rating or 27 absolute. Got your metal end caps, but they got sloppy with the glue here. You can scrape that. Yeah, you got a little sloppy there. You got your bypass valve down here, which is set for 20 psi. And the ACDelco. The ACDelco, we'll get to these in a little bit. The ACDelco has counted 63 pleats with a glued seam, and it has the felt caps, you can see. And this has a micron rating of removes particles 30 microns. And it has the cage, inner core, nylon cage. Let's see what these weigh. Baldwin weighs 3.6 ounces. And the ACDelco 1.2 ounces, a lot lighter, but it's got a lot more. I think it's got a lot more filter media. We'll see. It's got a lot more pleats, 63 pleats versus 41 pleats. And the Baldwin. Baldwin always has my favorite, the coil spring. And the ACDelco has one of these stamp leaf springs, but this is a pretty good size one. Pretty good size leaf spring right here. Also with the bypass valve here. Yeah, they're bad. Let's get some measurements. Start with a can here. And the Baldwin has a print. It's just printed on here. This ain't a sticker or anything. Yeah, 0.4. It's a little thicker, I think, than the ACDelco. Well, they come out with the same measurement though, but the ACDelco was easier to cut open than the Baldwin. Yeah, so both filter medias, both quite a bit differently, except for the filter media, but I mean the way they're built. But yeah, it's too bad they got sloppy with the glue here. I don't understand that stuff. Jeez. I find that in so many filters. Well, you know what? Let's cut these babies open. I'm going to put my money on the ACDelco as being longer. What do you guys think? Okay, we'll be right back. I almost forgot to get the measurements for these filters here. The media. 2.54. 2.67 inches. And 3.11 inches. The ACDelco. 3.42 inches. 2.51 inches. And 2.49 inches. 3.49 inches. Okay. Be right back. Okay, here they are all stretched out. And it's a good thing nobody took me up on that bet, because the Baldwin's actually longer than the ACDelco. Baldwin's 48 inches. And the ACDelco's 45 inches. Here they are zoomed out. Okay, so here's the seams. And these filter medias, they feel and look pretty much the same. So I kind of give them a tie. Except for, you know, you got more filter media with the ACDelco because it's wider. But let's see some of the other pros and cons here. You got the spring versus plate, stamp leaf spring. Two rubber anti-drain back valves. Base plate, give the base plate to ACDelco though, because it's got more threads. And I like all these holes. You got the louvers versus the inner cage, which they say these are like 1.5 times stronger. I don't know, but that's what they say. I'm sure the oil flow is better though, with all those holes. And you know, I've opened up other Baldwins and they didn't have all this glue on it. I don't know. This is like, I guess, maybe a rarity. Yeah, you know, both of these filters, they're under $4, so they're I think they're pretty good filters for the price. Okay, so I think I'll wrap this video up. Don't forget Oil Filter Friday. I open up a new automotive oil filter every Friday on this YouTube channel. So if you like this video, please hit that like button. Thanks for watching, and take care.